Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we discuss about the topic blood and its composition. This was a very main topic regarding bio as well as human anatomy students. First of all, we define the blood. What is blood? Blood, first of all, blood is a fluid connective tissue that consists of plasma, blood cells and platelets, and this will circulate throughout our body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to various cells and tissues. It makes up with a 8% of body weight, and average adult possesses around 5 to 6 liters of blood. All the male, female or children have different range of blood level. Okay, so what are the four main components which will fulfill the blood composition? One, plasma. Next one, red blood cells. Next, white blood cells, which is called WBC. Red blood cells, which is called RBC. It also known as RBCs, erythrocytes. White blood cells, which cause leukocytes, and platelets, which known as thrombocytes. Next, we define the what is the different functions of blood: transporting oxygen, nutrients to the lungs and tissues, forming blood clots to prevent excess blood loss. Then we define the type of blood. What are the main types of blood? There are three types of blood cells. Number one, RBC, number two, WBC, and number three, platelets. Next, we discuss about the what are the main role of these cells. I have mentioned a specific chart regarding the composition of blood. I hope you all are seeing in a proper form. Composition of blood, where is a formed element suspended in plasma, platelets, erythrocytes and leukocytes. These are the main composition of blood. First, then we discuss about the RBC. What are the main role of RBC? RBCs are bioconcave cells. RBCs are bioconcave cells. Then nucleus will absent in humans in a RBC form. It contains the iron-rich protein called hemoglobin, and the main function of is to transport oxygen from various tissues and organ. This was the main role of RBC, and they are enriched with the iron, so it will be in a red in color. These are the main composition or main role of RBCs in a blood. Then we explain about the WBC, leukocytes. RBC is called erythrocytes and WBC is called leukocytes, are colorless blood cells. They are further classified as granulocytes and agranulocytes. These are the two granulocytes and agranulocytes who will classified by a WBC. And WBC's main contribution regarding the immunity and defense mechanism. They will just play the role as a immune system or a immunity and the defensive in nature. Next, platelets. Platelets is known as a thrombocytes. They are specialized blood cells produced from bone marrow, and platelets come into play when there is bleeding or hemorrhage. Platelets which will plays an important role in a bleeding process or a hemorrhage process. Bleeding where blood will be in a very fasting flow. Then they help in clotting and coagulation of blood. Platelets plays a very important role in a clotting factor as well as a coagulation process of blood. And platelets helps in coagulation during or cut or wound. Wherever cutting or a wound healing will be in a form, then platelets helps to coagulate the blood. And the main parameter like plasma, where plasma is just a pale yellow in color. This was some kind of liquid state of blood, where it will be forms a contribution regarding a plasma. It makes up about blood 50%, 55% of blood in a section whenever is separation regarding the blood. They are pale yellow in color. When separated, it consists of whenever separation can form, it will be distinguished in a different parameters regarding salt, nutrients, water and enzymes. It also contain important protein and other components. And plasma plays a very important role in blood. Whenever a centrifugation process for a blood can be optimized or a processing form, then a highly number of percentage will be counted as like a plasma in our blood sample. So today's information, I hope you like the information. So kindly subscribe my channel, share my channel and like my channel. Thank you.